Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber if you're new to my channel, and today is going to be an all things home vlog. I honestly have been on the go lately and just kind of wanted to do a couple things around the house, so definitely want to give you guys a mini update first, because if you follow me on TikTok and even Instagram, you probably have already seen this, but I've installed a lot of lighting. Really all the lighting downstairs is installed, so I definitely want to show you guys all the lighting downstairs. It is such a vibe, and I'm just really loving how everything turned out. Also, definitely want to kind of add some of the decorative pieces to my owner suite bathroom that I've had for a really long time now and just really haven't put them in there. So going to get to that today, definitely have to do that today. And then I do want to clean the carpets upstairs. So a lot of things going on in today's vlog, but I want to show you guys really quick, like I said, the lights. So here is the lights in the kitchen, and you guys, such a vibe. You probably kind of already seen these in like other little videos, but this is kind of how it looks. And then here is more of like the forward view of the lights, just kind of bringing everything all together. It looks so good. Like I said, you probably have already seen these in some of the other vlogs, but just kind of wanted to officially show it here. Here is the living room light. I absolutely love this light. It's such a statement piece, and honestly, it definitely is more of the modern vibes, but I love how the living room is neutral. And once we get the built-in bookshelves right here, it'll have more of like an organic feel, because we're gonna definitely do a bunch of like wood tones. The shelving is gonna be kind of like a wood, nice like wood color as well, but we're gonna do like a moody cabinet as well. And yeah, I just love how this room is coming together. I'll actually put the bookcase inspo on the screen. It's actually the same bookcase that one of my favorite YouTubers has in her home. I'll actually put her at name here on the screen. I absolutely love her house and just kind of like all of like the vibe and the mood and everything that she has in her house. And so I definitely took inspo to that. I'm gonna try to recreate something similar to that. But yes, I feel like as soon as you like walk in the house, it's just such a vibe just to kind of see it from this angle, just to see the light and really kind of like part of the house as you walk in. So absolutely love this light. The next light is the hallway light. It does need to be cleaned a little bit, so don't judge me. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, like having the glass lights, they're a vibe, but cleaning them, not so much. And to be honest, I probably would have reconsidered that if I really understood how much maintenance of the cleaning that goes into it, because it's so easy for the dust to just kind of get into the glass, and it just kind of like, it looks dirty when it really, I know that it isn't really dirty. So you have to really kind of maintain it, like really dust it almost like weekly. So, and really almost like every other day sometimes, depending on where the light is. Especially like here, I feel like I need to dust like every other day just to kind of keep it nice and pristine. But yes, that is the light. I just wanted something really simplistic in the hallway, so I love that. And eventually in the hallway, I do want to do like some like wall paneling just to kind of give it a little like, I don't know, a nice little like flare, because right now I'm not really feeling the blank wall. Something that really kind of matched the paneling in here, but like on the wall, like the whole wall. So I think that would be nice. I also did like a little hallway light in the staircase, so I love that. Pretty similar to this light, so these really match. And really all of the lights in my house kind of complement each other. And honestly, I kind of didn't intentionally do that. It really just kind of happened that way, but I'm feeling it. At first I was like, oh my God, what did I do? These may be too matchy-matchy. I was a little scared about them being really matchy-matchy, but I actually like the lights coordinating, because it's like the one thing that kind of brings all the rooms together. Even though the rooms are similar as far as style, they are very different. So I love that like they have different elements, but they kind of all tie together since it's like an open concept. So I love that. I think I did really good on that. We'll see how I feel about that like months from now. I could change my mind. And then you guys, my favorite light probably in the house is this one. Oh my gosh. Like when you walk into the house and you just see this, like, I don't know, it just does something to me. Eventually we'll get our tables, so we're kind of trying to decide on a couple tables right now. So y'all know the blue tape, what that means when that comes out. So honestly, just trying to make sure that the table in this space isn't too big and that it can be somewhat of a functional room, because this space honestly is really not that big, but we definitely want this room to be more, I don't know, we just want it to be practical for just hanging out and really kind of like having more people in like one little room at a table. And again, like more casual vibes for like if we have a family dinner, we can have it in here and all be at the same table and eat together. So I like the idea of that. So yeah, so that is the dining room. Eventually, like I said, we'll kind of make a decision on the table, and I'll probably order that table probably like a month or so from now is when we'll probably make the final decision on the table, because I'm kind of like getting a little antsy with this room being very bare, but it's gonna all come together. So that's the mini update on the lighting, and I am loving all of the lights. Like I said, it's just such a vibe. I just look around and I'm like, oh my God, I cannot believe this is my home, and how it's being like transformed over time is so wild, just to see kind of some of the old pictures of like what it looked like to like what it looks like now. It's really starting to become a home. So I'm excited for that, and to take you guys on the journey of just kind of making my whole house a home. Now, we are going to first, before we even honestly do the bathroom, I wanna go ahead and clean the carpets. I already cleaned the carpets in the guest room, so that's done. And plus, nobody really goes in the guest room like that. I cleaned the carpet in the office as well too, so that's good to go. I did clean the carpets in the hallway, but I wanna redo that. Definitely have to do the stairs, and then I want to clean the carpets in our bedroom. So I'm gonna do that first before I add some things to the bathroom really quick. So let's clean the carpets. All right, really quick, I wanted to show you guys the carpet cleaner that I'm using. So I am using the Hoover Smartwash carpet cleaner. No, this is not sponsored. I wish it was, but I absolutely love this Smartwash carpet cleaner. It was a good investment, I think, for myself, because being a homeowner, like, you just want to keep things clean. So I have rugs. I know eventually I'll have more rugs around the house, and just to make sure those are staying clean, because I have a dog, as well as the carpets because I have a dog. Even though we take our shoes off, sometimes things are just gonna get in the house, it's inevitable. So definitely wanted this, and I got the pet version as well too. So I use all the little products that are like kind of like pet friendly as well. But you just put the clean water, so you just do like water at the top. And I use filtered water for that, or try to at least. And then all of the dirty water goes at the bottom, or comes out at the bottom. So this is kind of what it typically looks like. So I did like a little small area of the carpet. I'm gonna use this to clean everything. I'll link everything down below if you're interested. Again, I bought this with my own money, and I actually really love it. So yeah, I'm just gonna test everything out. I need to vacuum in some spaces first, like regular vacuum. So I'm gonna do that first, and then just go ahead and do all the rest of the spaces. So let's get into it. Y'all, only something like this would happen to me. So I'm over here filling up the solution in the little tank that I showed you guys, right? There's like a little cap that goes on the solution, and I'm like, okay, I hadn't opened this yet because it came with like some solution to begin with. So I had already used all that. I finally was able to open this, and I'm like, let me use the cap to kind of like break the seal. Y'all, why is the cap in here? Can y'all see that? You probably can see a little bit. It's like a little like dark little hover. Why? Why is this happening to me? So now I don't know how to get this cap out. I think I'm gonna have to pour all the solution into like, I don't know, like a bowl or something. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do something, because y'all, only this would happen to me. Only me. All right, let me see what I can do. My life. All right, I can see y'all now. Like, why did I think that was a good idea? I should have just honestly, I don't know what I should have did. Now I don't even know what. Oh, maybe I can do this bowl. I mean, it's just solution. So hopefully, I also have to clean this bowl out really good. Okay, is the cap, did it come out? Why is this thing stuck in here? Oh, there it go. I'm like, it was able to fit through the hole. Anyway, this is the cap that goes on top of the solution. So now I gotta, luckily I do have a funnel. Okay, wait, I did waste some solution, but at this point, I mean, what was I gonna do? Like, I couldn't use the machinery without the cap. So I'm gonna clean this up a little bit and start on the carpet cleaning. I just wanted to show y'all that. Like, I had to vlog that because this is literally the stuff that I be doing. Like, I'm just like, what is wrong with you? Like, why don't you just think things through sometimes? I just be trying to rush, and little silly stuff like that always kind of happens to me. But let me clean this mess up and try to clean my carpet. I think I'm gonna start with the stairs first. This is all from the stairs. Like, look at this. Look at this. Look how nasty this look. All right, y'all, I am in my bathroom right now. I'm gonna do like some little decorative stuff and show you guys. I wanna show you guys like a little quick haul where I got everything, just in case you guys have any questions, and I'll leave everything linked down below, of course. But like I said in the beginning of the vlog, I just want to do really small changes in here. They're not kind of like the end all be all what I do today. I just need like a little razzle dazzle because I'm always in this bathroom, obviously, because it's in the owner suite. And I just want it to look like somewhat decent because right now, like this is what we are working with. Like, it's pretty like not cute. So I just need a little something to get me by, okay? And hopefully in the future I can renovate this. This is why, a little plug, your support is very important to this channel. So make sure you are subscribed to this channel because maybe we can pull a little sponsorship or something in, like from Home Depot or Lowe's or whomever, to help fund this bathroom because y'all, renovations are not cheap. So make sure you subscribe to your girl, okay? So let me show you guys really quick what I got to kind of spruce up the bathroom a little bit. All right, so I definitely want to change my whole little situation right here on the countertop. So I got like a little tray to put soap and like a little lotion holder in it. And then I can put my mouthwash also on the same little tray. I thought this was so cute. So I'll put that on the countertop here. So yeah, I think that's gonna be like a little vibe. And then on the cabinetry area, I do want to change the faucets out, but again, that's like a whole other project. I want to change them to black, so I'll probably eventually order those. So probably the next thing I'll do. But, and of course the lighting, the mirror, there's just a lot of stuff I want to change to this bathroom, but I kind of want to be patient because if I do a whole renovation, I can just do it at one time instead of changing some of the huge things bit by bit and not liking it in the long run. So these, to me, like these changes that I'm making now are just really like minimal changes that I wouldn't be mad if I switched it up in the long run. So that's why I'm trying to be patient with some of the bigger changes. So we're gonna see if I actually like buy, I don't know, black faucet. I may just rip out this whole vanity area and do something different. Who knows what I'm gonna do. I'm a little unpredictable with some of my design choices these days. But I did get some new handles, kind of similar to the black handles, or really the same handles downstairs that I got on the kitchen, for the kitchen pools. I ordered them for upstairs. So I am going to just change those out. That should literally take me only like maybe 15 minutes to change them out. So I'm gonna do those. I did get, oh, I got this little candle too to put on the little tray. So I'll either put the mouthwash or the little candle on the tray. I'll style it somehow. I don't know how I'm gonna style it, but we'll figure that out. I probably also have like a little plant downstairs, so I may use that just to style this area a little bit. It just needs a little something. Like, it's just so blah. Like, it's just not giving. I also got this cute little basket, and what I'm gonna do with this is put all of our like clean towels in here. So like white towels and also roll up our like little washcloths as well too, so we can have easy access to them, because we were storing them in this closet, and while that situation was okay, I just felt that it was kind of inconvenient sometimes when I'm in the shower and I forget like a towel or whatever, and I have to step all the way out the shower and go to the closet. First world problems, I know, but I just feel like it's just more convenient for me, so I'm gonna do what's convenient for me. So got this basket to put towels in, and then on top of the basket, I'm like, okay, what am I gonna use to like actually put the basket on, because I don't want it to be on the ground. So I'm gonna use this little stool to kind of place the basket on, and dual purpose, like if I want to lotion up or something like that, or just sit on here to do makeup or whatever, I can use this little stool. So I'll place it by the shower, and I think it's gonna be like a really cute styling moment. I also got a rug, which I'll show you guys a little bit later, from Target, that's gonna be put in here as well too. So let's get to styling the bathroom. Later, and y'all, I am tired. I'm gonna end the vlog here because honestly it's time for me to just wind down, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.